Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix app icon disappeared from home screen in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you're using Galaxy S22 Ultra and you want to fix the issue that your apps or your icons has been disappeared from your home screen, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you have to try if your apps icons are disappeared from your home screen. So sometimes these might be moved to your app drawer. So you just have to scroll up or swipe up. So you must see your app drawer, and here you can get all your apps icons. But if you're still might having the same issue, your apps icons are not here and not here. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing I recommend you have to scroll in control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone, because sometimes it might be that there will be any software glitch or any technical issue with your phone, which can be easily fixed by making a force restart or by making a simple restart. Once I've done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, simply go to settings app here, just scroll down, go to accounts and backup, click on it, just scroll down, click on Samsung Cloud, and here just wait for a few seconds until it's load, and you just have to try to click on this restore from backup, and here just select your device you're using. So this is my own phone, I'm gonna select this, and here you have to unselect these all and just select only apps and home screen. And once you have done, just click on this restore option and then click yes. It will automatically install your apps and restore them on your home screen, so your issue will be fixed in this step and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.